Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode I have this cool amazing part right here in my hand, and basically what this is a USB flash drive that also has a lightning option on here for your iPhone device. If you guys are traveling or whatever, then this is really useful to kind of transfer the data from your device over this flash drive so you guys have more space. But first thing first, I'm actually open up the product and show you what it actually looks like and what comes out the package first. Alright, so it's very nice how they give you guys this little strip right here that can open up really easily. So they provide you guys this little card right here to tell you guys to make sure you guys download the app, which is the iPlug Mate app, onto your device first in order for you guys to actually use this product. But this is basically what the product looks like, so let's take it out. Alright, so once you take it out, this is basically what it looks like. So there's nothing else besides this product right here. They have the little logo right there. They tell you guys that's 128 gigabytes on here. They actually have two different options, whether if you guys want a 256 or a 128. But the one that I have right here is a 128. So if you guys take a look at this side, this is the USB side, and then this side right here is the lightning. So you guys unplug like that. So this is the lightning part right here. They do have ones where it actually includes like the USB-C option if you guys want to get those as well. But I don't really need that one, so that's why I didn't get that one and got this one instead. But definitely getting that extra USB-C option is really nice as well. So if you guys want to transfer stuff maybe from your brand new iPad Air, then you guys can use the USB-C option for that one as well. But I'm mainly planning to use it for my iPhone, so I don't really need that one too much as right now. If I want to get it in future, I'll definitely get that one. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. One thing that I want to mention about this product is the fact that it's also MFI certified, so you guys don't have to worry about that as well. So first thing first is actually download the app first and show you what it actually looks like. So when you go to the app store, this is basically what it looks like here. So this is the iPlug Mate app. So I just want to make sure you guys download that first. Alright, so once you guys finish downloading the app, then you guys can plug the device in here. So let's open up this part here and plug it into my iPhone, which is right here. Alright, so as you can see, once you guys plug in, this is basically what it looks like. So basically, as you can see right here, it tells you guys internal storage, which is whatever is on the iPhone itself, and tells you guys the external one, which is what you guys have right here. So once you guys have that, you can transfer stuff over using whatever you guys want. So like your photos, videos, music, files and photos, backup, camera, all that stuff is on here. Your backup contacts is on here as well. So you can basically transfer all this stuff from your internal storage on the actual iPhone itself onto the little flash drive that you guys have right here. So like for example, if you guys click on the photo right here, there's nothing here because it's using the PlugMate app, which is the actual device that we have right here. If you guys want to use your stuff on your iPhone, just click on iPhone to transfer stuff over. So you can see, like for example, I have all these like pictures right here of like a cheesecake. So all I have to do is select it. So multi-select on the top part right here. So let's say if I want to transfer those three files right here, you guys want to click the copy to right here in the bottom. And it'll give you guys external storage, which is the device that we have right here. So you have to click paste. So now it's transferring those three files that we have from the internal storage on the iPhone onto the new one. And if you guys can see, there's three different sections right here. So there's transferring, there's transfer complete, and there's also transfer fail. If you guys click on transfer complete, it's already transferred all three of them. So it's really fast because it's using like the fast USB-C 3.0 technology on here. And then obviously, since right now I'm transferring like photos, it's much faster than doing videos. Videos will take a little bit longer because it's a lot more to like transfer and compress the file from one space to another. But just to test it out, I'm going to find a video that's really long and try to transfer that over and see how long it takes. Because I did have a 2-minute video that I want to try and transfer over and see how long that takes. Alright, so I found a 2-minute video right here. Let's see how long it takes. So I'm going to click copy to, and then go to paste right here. Oh, so it's already done. So that 2-minute video was done like instantly. I thought it would take me a while, but it was pretty fast. And the way how you guys know is by clicking on the transfer complete and then see it's done. So even I guess like a 2-minute video is not a huge issue for this product. So maybe if you guys do like a 60-minute video or something really long, they may be longer, but 2-minute videos or like pictures are really fast transferring speed if you guys can see from the test itself. And if you guys want to add an extra protection layer on here, you guys definitely can. So you guys want to go to the setting page right here. You can see all these options right here. But if you guys click on privacy, it shows you guys this page right here, which is a USB encryption. So if you guys turn that on, then you can add your own passcode on here as an extra protection layer, such as like adding that extra layer of protection when you guys activate or turn on and off your iPhone. And then once you guys are done using the product itself, then you can just unplug it from the iPhone itself and you can use it whenever you guys want to again. Or if you guys want to transfer the files onto a computer using the USB option, you guys can definitely do that as well. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. You guys can see from the test, it works really well, super easy to use. All you guys really need to do is just download the app You plug this in, transfer the files, and you guys are all set. It's definitely a pretty amazing product and so portable and so easy to use. And if you guys saw from the test itself how fast it transferred the files and everything, if you guys are wondering what is the transfer speed and everything or the read speed, it actually mentions on the listing itself. So basically, you guys are using the USB 3.0, which is right here. That one is a read speed up to 80 megabytes per second, and the write speed is 40 megabytes per second, which is pretty fast. Whereas if you guys are using the MFI connector, which is the lightning cable right here, that one is a 30 megabytes per second, and the write speed is 12 megabytes per second. So that's not as fast as the USB, but if you guys saw from how fast it transferred everything, that was actually pretty fast. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are actually pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are going traveling a lot and you guys don't want to buy the cloud storage or anything. Then this is definitely really worth it in those scenarios. So that way you guys have extra storage to bring with you guys no matter where you guys are, so you guys don't have to worry about running out of space or whatever. And especially having the option of the USB on here is really nice. So once you guys are finished using the space on here, then you guys can just transfer over to your hard drive or whatever, so you guys have more space after that as well. But then obviously, if those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have